Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, June 11th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have also 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Ceasefire block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will do these 3 regular puzzles. The first one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. This one will be number, I believe. Monday. What's happening? This one will be number 8695. 8695. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? The number. Well, we have here 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these. 3 boxes here, 7 in this row, no 7 in those. 3 boxes, so the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in this. 7 should be there. 7. How about 5 in the 3rd row, 5 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 9 in the 3rd row, 9 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the 3rd column, 9 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this 1st column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 in that column, no 3 there. The only place left for 3 should be there. Alright. 3. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5. Okay. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about 9. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then need 8 here, need 8 there, need 8 here. Well, 1, 1. 2, 7, 8. Well. 1. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next now need to place left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, now need place left on 9 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe, the 5 and a 9 in this column, the 5 and a 9 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 5 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 5 goes there, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 in the first column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7. 7. All right, then need a 7, 1 and 4, 7, 1 and 4. Yeah. 6. Need 6 here. I'm thinking. Need 8 here. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this column. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes at there. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 2, 2. Need a 1, and I need a 1, 1. Need 8 there, need 8 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in this box. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes. So we 8 in this row. 8 in this row. 8 in one of these 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 4, 6 and the 7. Need a 7 here. 7 and a 4. Well. How about 1? Need a 2. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8, need an 8 here. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 8 in the column next, so the last column. Only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 and 8. We have 8 now in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, first row. 2 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for 2 should be there. Then. Need a 1, need a 7, need a 4. 174. 174 also. 174. Need a 7. 4, 8, and need a 6 here or there. Yeah. Come on. Need a 1. Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 place level 1. Could be here, could be down. 2, need a 3 here. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And I need a 4, 5. I need a 6 here. Could be everywhere. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. Last row, the only place left, 2 should be there. We fold the 2s, I believe. 4, 8, need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Yeah. One of these 3 missing numbers in this row is the number 6. Well, here can be 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left, 6 should be there. So the 4 and the 8 are left. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so no column next. The only place level 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in the third row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And if eliminated there, 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and 6, we have 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the 6, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 6. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 here, so this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 30 minutes. Well, that's a quick one. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well, please give it time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.